The battle between the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro and the Insta360 Luna Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most interesting camera comparisons of 2026. Both devices target content creators, vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers who want professional quality footage in a compact form factor. After spending hands-on time with both cameras, it becomes clear that while they aim for a similar audience, they take very different approaches to mobile filmmaking. At first glance, the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro continues DJI's familiar pocket gimbal design. It feels refined, premium, and purpose-built for creators who want stabilization without carrying additional accessories. The Insta360 Luna Ultra, on the other hand, takes a more modular approach. Its design focuses on flexibility, allowing creators to switch between different shooting styles while maintaining a compact footprint. Both cameras feel well built, but they appeal to different types of users from the moment you pick them up. When it comes to handling, the Pocket 4 Pro immediately stands out with its integrated 3-axis gimbal. Walking shots, tracking movements, and handheld cinematic sequences look incredibly smooth straight out of the camera. Even without post-processing, footage appears polished and professional. The Luna Ultra relies more heavily on advanced electronic stabilization. While stabilization performance is impressive, especially considering its size, it cannot fully replicate the natural movement and cinematic feel of a physical gimbal in demanding situations. Image quality is where things become extremely competitive. Both cameras deliver sharp footage with excellent detail, but their strengths differ depending on shooting conditions. During daylight testing, the Pocket 4 Pro produces clean, natural-looking footage with excellent dynamic range. Colors are balanced, highlights are controlled well, and shadow detail remains impressive. The Luna Ultra, however, tends to produce a more vibrant image straight from the camera. Colors appear punchier and more social media ready, which many creators may prefer for quick uploads without extensive editing. Low light performance reveals another interesting difference. The larger imaging system inside the Pocket 4 Pro gives it a noticeable advantage when lighting conditions become challenging. Night scenes retain more detail, shadows appear cleaner, and noise levels remain relatively controlled. The Luna Ultra performs surprisingly well for its size, but shows more aggressive noise reduction and slightly softer detail in darker environments. For creators who frequently shoot indoors, at events, or during nighttime travel, the Pocket 4 Pro offers greater confidence. Autofocus performance is critical for solo creators, and both cameras perform admirably. The Pocket 4 Pro tracks subjects smoothly and accurately, maintaining focus even during movement. Face detection remains reliable, making it ideal for vlogging. The Luna Ultra also delivers strong tracking performance, particularly when combined with Insta360's software-driven subject recognition technologies. In many situations, both cameras can keep a moving subject in focus effectively, although DJI's system feels slightly more refined during rapid movements. Audio quality is another area where the Pocket 4 Pro demonstrates its creator-focused design. Built-in microphones capture clear voice recordings, and DJI's audio ecosystem makes it easy to connect external microphones for professional production. The Luna Ultra performs well, but many users will likely rely on external audio solutions to achieve the best possible sound quality. For vloggers and interview creators, audio performance could become a deciding factor. Battery life testing shows strong performance from both cameras. The Pocket 4 Pro comfortably handles extended shooting sessions, making it suitable for travel days and long recording projects. The Luna Ultra remains competitive, offering enough endurance for most creators, though heavy users may still want backup power options. Fast charging support on both devices helps reduce downtime between shoots. One of the biggest advantages of the Luna Ultra lies in its versatility. Insta360 has built a reputation around creative shooting modes, AI-powered editing features, and unique capture experiences. Users who enjoy experimenting with different perspectives, automated edits, and social media-friendly content creation tools will find plenty to appreciate. The Pocket 4 Pro focuses more on delivering traditional cinematic quality, prioritizing professional-looking footage over software-driven creativity. After extensive hands-on testing, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro emerges as the stronger choice for creators who prioritize image quality, low light performance, stabilization, and professional video production. Its physical gimbal continues to provide a significant advantage for cinematic shooting, while its larger sensor delivers cleaner and more detailed footage in challenging conditions. The Insta360 Luna Ultra remains an impressive competitor and may be the better choice for creators who value flexibility, innovative features, and quick content creation workflows. It offers a unique shooting experience and plenty of creative possibilities that many social media creators will appreciate. That's the overall first-hand experience of using this little camera. Another standout feature of the Luna Ultra is its 12 times super macro capability. Using my hand as the subject, let's zoom in. 2 times zoom. 3 times zoom, which switches to the telephoto lens. 6 times zoom. And finally, 12 times zoom. I don't know if it's fully visible through the camera filming this video, but on the Luna's screen, I can clearly see the fine details and textures of my fingers and palm. The image is extremely sharp. I think the image processing algorithms are doing an impressive job here. I also feel that the stabilization performance is quite good. There isn't any obvious shaking or jitter in the image. From the front, the two cameras actually look very similar. However, the Luna Ultra includes a built-in tripod, whereas the DJI requires an external accessory if you want the same functionality. Looking at the overall size from the side, they're quite similar. The DJI Pocket 4 Pro's lens appears slightly larger, while the Luna Ultra's lens looks smaller from this angle. From the front, however, you can see that Luna Ultra uses a horizontal lens arrangement, while DJI uses a vertical design. The lens layouts follow completely different design philosophies. The surface coatings are also different. DJI's finish seems to provide a slightly better grip and better anti-slip characteristics. On the opposite side, DJI places its wrist strap attachment point here, while Luna Ultra uses this area for the micro SD card slot. On the other side, DJI places its memory card slot, while Luna Ultra has no additional controls or features there. Returning to the lens design, these two cameras give completely different impressions despite targeting a similar category. That's the comparison between the two devices. I'm sure many of you are most interested in seeing an image quality comparison between these cameras. In future videos, I'll bring you detailed footage comparisons so we can see the differences in actual shooting performance. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your shooting style. If your goal is producing the highest quality cinematic footage from a pocket-sized camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro takes the win. If you prefer creative versatility, AI-powered tools, and a more experimental approach to content creation, the Insta360 Luna Ultra is an excellent alternative. Both cameras represent the future of compact creator technology, but for pure video performance, the Pocket 4 Pro holds a slight overall advantage.